Although our hallway isn't 100% completed, it's like 80%. So let's do a full recap. This was when we first moved in, and then this was a week later. I arrived home from work and Lewis had done all this. In the hallway, landing stairs, but I'm going to focus on the hallway and kind of a bit of the stairs for these videos. So this is part one, and although it looks really quick because this is like a 1.5-minute video, this was months of work of stripping off wallpaper, taking wallpaper off, taking off door frames, lifting floors. There was just all sorts to do with it, and there's so many little things as I was going through editing this video where it's like, oh, I never recorded that bit, I never showed that bit. There's so many little things that you're just so frazzled in the moment doing it all, you just don't even think about recording. And this next bit, chiseling out the floors, was actually one of my favorite parts to do because I'd never done it before, and it was basically to hide the internet cord. I was also the one that plastered the first big wall when you walk into the house, kind of at the back wall. I plastered that one, so I'm always proud when people come in and the first wall that they'll actually properly see is that wall, and I did end up plastering that with the pro roll stuff, but in the moment on the day I didn't record any because it was awful. And then fast forward, we're whitewashing. Welcome back to part two of doing our hallway downstairs. So this is where we got when we got as far as whitewashing. And honestly, thinking about months of work going into like a 30-second video, and part one was crazy. But this was the colour we landed on. We did want to go for a brown at first, and then we realised like a dark navy was kind of more our vibe. And when we were thinking about painting this, we really just want to colour drench as much of the house, kind of make it like a bit different, a bit fun, a bit unique. And I tell you, I'm so happy. I remember the first day we painted, me and Lewis looked at each other and was like, oh my goodness, it's really dark. But actually it turned out absolutely perfect and I love it so much. And we have colour drenched nearly every room in the house except for the hallway, just because of the loft hatch. But every room in the house is colour drenched, and it's made our life so much easier and just so much quicker to paint and stuff. This is me, like, let's get a cute video together. He's always up for it. I love him. So once we got it all painted, we then had to decide on the colour for upstairs, and we landed on pink. We did try orange and green, like a burnt orange, but the pink was more the vibe. You can kind of see the colors up there. And then the cupboard downstairs, we didn't really want to do too much with it because there's lots of wires and stuff, so I just went to B&M and I said the coolest and cheapest wallpaper they have, or I went to B&Q, the cheapest and coolest wallpaper they have, I'm going with that. And I love the way it turned out, although I did obviously see in the video I did do a big patch of it upside down, but love the way it turned out. We painted the hallway pink at this stage, like going up the stairs, or like started to. And yeah, come back for part three, the final. Part three, in the final part, I did condense down these videos quite a lot because I know everyone has a really short attention span, but we decided to paint the hallway pink, and it was the best decision because of the hallway being so dark downstairs. I think having that pop of girliness with the pink and then the manliness with the dark, it's really balanced out. We are putting a sliding door in the sitting room, but we probably won't get that done till like winter time because it's just easier not having a door. But this is how it's turned out so far, and I absolutely love it. And it's been so much fun collecting frames and collecting little items to go on the wall as well. So I'm still in the process of collecting little things, like little bits and bobs. But this is when you walk into our house, what you see now. It's so different compared to a couple of months ago, and I feel like it's just come along so quick, and we're finally making our renovation at home.